Good day to all. My name is Paula Lizarri. I am a student at UNAD. I belong to the Faculty of the Health Science of the Health Administration program. Today, I will tell you about my plans for my next vacation. I will mainly meet with my family in the Bogota city. We will have will dinners and runners. I also plan to go hiking in the mountains of the Ibagué city because I love the nature. My brother and I will go to visit the Tatacoa Desert since we cannot spend much time together during the year. Something important what I will do on vacation is to frequently carry on my exercise routine. Since during the year I have not been very constant in this matter. Last and not least is to thank God for allowing us to live on more years with our families. I really appreciate the attention given. I hope they have an excellent time. See you later. Thank you very much.